This is the Makibes MK01. It's an imperfect but very compelling product that you should seriously consider buying. Why, you might ask? Let's find out. Let's start with the physical tour of the watch. At the back, you will find the magnetic charging contact. It requires a proprietary cable, a slot for putting the SIM card in, and the HR module for measuring your heartbeat. Moving to the side, we got 3 physical buttons. Well, I wouldn't call it 3 because the middle is actually a 2-megapixel camera. If you're wondering about the video quality, here it is. The upper button is to turn it on, off, or light up the screen. Long press the button key to enter the sports mode. We'll get to that later. Also, if you want to go back or return to the home page, just press the once. At the front is an AMOLED 400 by 400 resolution display. I was pretty impressed by its responsiveness and the color performance of this screen. Regarding the gesture control, it's very intuitive, just check it out. Long press the button key to enter the sports mode. We got the usual modes like outdoor running, biking those, and even the basketball, football, rope skipping, those real sports. Click any modes in the box, set the time duration or target calories you want to burn, and then you're ready to go. You can pause or finish the exercise by swiping to right. It will save the data. Like most other smartwatches, you have to download the app in order to connect it with your phone. The app, by the way, is probably the simplest I've seen so far. You can select sports modes directly on the app, and the dial will change automatically with it. If you feel your dial is not fancy enough, there are a ton of dials out there waiting to be selected. To answer the questions in the beginning of the video, why you should consider buying one, well, it's not perfect. Like, I don't like the strap, looks a bit cheap, and it's not friendly for females. The manual, why the text is so tiny? You literally need a magnifying glass to see it clearly, but those are not going to cause a devastating problem for your daily use. This is solid and rugged design, the intuitive gesture control, and did I mention you can even use it for your daily phone? And for whatever reasons you have to carry 2 phones, it's good for you to switch one to this Makibes smartwatch. It supports 4G. What do you guys think about it? Please leave a comment below. For more about the watch, I put all the links in the description. Please check it out. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. See you next time.